Which one of the following is not a serous membrane? A. Pleura, B. Peritoneum, C. Mucosa, D. Pericardium. And the correct answer is C. Mucosa. A mucous membrane or mucosa is a membrane that lines various cavities in the body and covers the surface of internal organs. Mucosa consists of one or more layers of epithelial cells overlaying a layer of loose connective tissue. Some mucous membranes secrete mucus, a thick protective fluid. What is the study of how body parts function called? A. Histology, B. Physiology, C. Homeostasis, D. Metabolism. And the correct answer is B. Physiology. Physiology is the study of how the human body works. It describes the chemistry and physics behind basic body functions, from how molecules behave in cells to how systems of organs work together. One of the functions of bones is to make red blood cells. What is this process known as? A. Hemolysis, B. Hemopoiesis, C. Hematuria, D. Hemostasis. And the correct answer is B. Hemopoiesis. Hemopoiesis is also known as hematopoiesis. It is a process through which the body manufactures blood cells. It begins early in the development of an embryo, well before birth, and continues for the life of an individual. Which of the following muscles is named after its origin and insertion points? A. Tibialis anterior, B. Extensor digitorum longus, C. Rectus femoris, D. Sternocleidomastoid. And the correct answer is D. Sternocleidomastoid. The sternocleidomastoid has its origin on the sternum and clavicle, while its insertion is on the mastoid process. It is one of the largest and most superficial cervical muscles. It is a thick muscle on each side of the neck, the action of which assists in bending the head and neck forward and sideways. Which hormone is responsible for the contraction of the gallbladder? A. Secretin, B. Gastrin, C. Cholecystokinin, D. Intrinsic factor. And the correct answer is C. Cholecystokinin. Cholecystokinin is released from mucosal endocrine cells in the proximal small intestine in response to a meal. It is classically known to stimulate the gallbladder contraction. Which of the following structures together make up the brainstem? A. Medulla oblongata, pons, midbrain, cerebellum, B. Medulla oblongata, pons, midbrain, C. Medulla oblongata, pons, midbrain, thalamus, D. Medulla oblongata, pons, midbrain, pineal gland. And the correct answer is B. Medulla oblongata, pons, midbrain. Medulla oblongata, pons and midbrain are the structures which together make up the brainstem. Which part of the ear contains the apparatus that we use to distinguish between different frequencies of sound? A. The cochlea, B. The eustachian tube, C. The tensor tympani, D. The auditory meatus. And the correct answer is A. The cochlea. The cochlea analyzes sound frequencies by means of the basilar membrane, which exhibits different degrees of stiffness or resonance along its length. What is the fibrous protein in our skin that protects it from abrasion? A. Melanin, B. Keratin, C. Sebum, D. Elastin. And the correct answer is B. Keratin. The outermost layers of the skin is composed of dead cells filled with keratin. Keratin that helps waterproof the skin and that protects the skin and underlying tissues from heat, microbes, abrasion and chemicals. Which one of the following is a bone that is embedded within a tendon? A. Sphenoid bone, B. Hyoid bone, C. Ethmoid bone, D. Sesamoid bone. And the correct answer is D. Sesamoid bone. In anatomy, a sesamoid bone is a bone embedded within a tendon or a muscle. Its name is derived from the Arabic word sesamum, that is sesame seed, indicating the small size of most sesamoids. Which type of epithelium is found lining blood vessels? A. Simple squamous epithelium, B. Stratified squamous epithelium, C. Simple cuboidal epithelium, D. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. And the correct answer is A. Simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium lines the blood vessels. In a cell cycle, which phase takes the longest time to complete? A. Anaphase, B. Interphase, C. Prophase, D. Telophase. And the correct answer is B. Interphase. Interphase is the longest part of the cell cycle. This is when the cell grows and copies its DNA before moving into mitosis. What is the name for an immovable joint? A. Amphiarthrosis, B. Diarthrosis, C. Synarthrosis, D. Monoarthrosis. And the correct answer is C. Synarthrosis. Synarthroses are immovable joints. This is a type of joint which allows no movement under normal conditions. Sutures and gomphoses are both synarthroses. The sutures in the skull are examples of immovable joints. Which one of the following is a function of the liver? A. Lipase, B. Digestive enzymes, C. Insulin, D. Plasma proteins. And the correct answer is D. Plasma proteins. Plasma proteins, that is albumin, globulin and fibrinogen, are produced in the liver. Where are the semimembranous and semitendinous muscles located? A. Seminal vesicle, B. Thigh, C. Forearm, D. Back. And the correct answer is B. Thigh. Collectively, semimembranous, semitendinous and biceps femoris are referred to as the hamstring muscles. Semimembranous along with the semitendinosus occupies the medial aspect of the posterior thigh. It is a relatively long muscle that spans the full length of the thigh from the hip to the knee. Which liver cells produce bile? A. Kupffer cells, B. Sinusoids, C. Hepatocytes, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is drop your answers in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.